this half cut crease. Ooh, girl. Taking the shade Period. BretmanRock I'm super excited for this video because I purchased the new BretmanRock wet and lit palettes. I am so excited, and today, of course, I couldn't wait to hop into the lit palette because we all know that I am such a sucker for warm tones, especially these red tones in here are just giving me life. I'm feeling it. I wanted to show you guys how to create this half cut crease look with this palette. This is a quick beat video, so I already have my face makeup done. If you guys are interested in seeing other quick beat videos, which is basically just the eyeshadow tutorial, I will have those linked down below, so feel free to check those out. But if you guys are interested in seeing how to achieve this makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, ignore my sweatshirt. It's really late, I'm really cold, my house is freezing, and I just want to be comfortable. That's also kind of why I'm being quiet, or I'm trying to be quiet, because everyone is sleeping while I'm up working and getting the grind. The grind never stops. I hate myself for that. I'm never gonna say that again. However, I'm so freaking excited. Did you see that eye roll? I'm so excited for today's video because I am gonna be using the new BretmanRock and Colourpop lit palette. I did purchase both the lit and the wet palette, so I will be doing more videos with those, but for today I'm gonna be using the lit palette, which is absolutely freaking beautiful. Let me just show you this really quick. This is such a perfect fall palette because you have a lot of those berry and red tones in there. I love that Cleo Amore color just because it is such a beautiful, bright, vibrant yellow. You also have the Or Whatever shade, and that's perfect for your transition area, so I'm just super excited to use this palette. I'm loving these tones. Also, I hope I don't look too highlighted. I accidentally mixed a lot of liquid highlighter. Okay, not accidentally, I just kept adding drops because I was just like, I can't be stopped, and I should have been, because I really kind of look like a disco ball in person, and I hope it doesn't look like that on camera, but we're gonna film this video anyways. I really hope that eventually I get organized while I film, because I cut it out, but every freaking step I'm like, what am I doing? What am I doing with my life? What am I doing? I'm just like, get it together. I am gonna be picking up the shade Cleo Amore on my JH32 brush, and I am going to work this into my transition area. I already did prime my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm just going to be putting this Cleo Amore shade into my transition area. I'm going to be taking the shade Period, and I'm going to put this into my crease area, slowly blending that up to my transition area. I'm not going to bring this higher than the yellow shade, but I just want to make sure that everything blends really nicely into each other, or really nicely together. Now I'm going to take the shade Macchiato on my JH34 brush, and I am going to put that tightest into my crease, and I'm also going to slightly blend that onto the outer corner. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Like right here, and I'm going to put that onto my outer corner, making sure that I build this up so that there's enough pigment so that this is one of the darker shadows in today's look, because I really want to focus on building that depth in that outer corner area. Now I'm going to be picking up my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to go in and cut the crease about halfway onto my lid. I don't want to cover up that outer corner, I just want to create a clean slate for the lid color to go on so that it looks super pigmented and there's a clean definition between the lid and the crease area. I'm going to be using my Morphe M224 brush to apply this. I'm going to go back in with the shade Period, and I'm going to put that right next to that outer corner shade. Then I'm just going to put a little bit more of that Cleo Amore shade right next to that, being careful not to bring it too far into that inner corner, but I just want to reincorporate this shade back into this look because it is probably one of my favorite shades in this palette. Next, I'm just going to mix these two shades down here together, the two shimmery shades in She Got Money and Bading, and I'm just going to put that onto the inner corner of my lid. I'm actually going to dip into my Sultry palette and pick up the shade Pearl just because I really want this inner corner to pop, and right now I feel like it kind of blends in with the rest of the shadows on the lid. So I'm just going to layer this over top of that inner corner, and then I'm also going to put some of this onto my brow bone. Now I'm going to do some wing liner with my Morphe Gel Slate Liner and my Anastasia Beverly Hills 14 brush. Alright, so I just popped on some of my Très Chic lashes in the style Queen. I'm going to line my lower lash line with some black liner. Today I'm going to be using my Morphe liner in the shade Dark Room. And then I'm going to go in and blend that out with the Lake shade and the Cleo Amore shade. Now I'm just going to be putting a quick coat of mascara onto my lower lashes, and for mascara today I will be using my Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I'm just going to line my lips with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Backseat Love. Next, I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in the shade I'm Shook. Alright you guys, so this completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments down below letting me know what kinds of looks or videos you would like to see from me next. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.